Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I will create a real estate website using the fastest and most responsive website builder that anybody can use. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. So this is the Builderall dashboard. This is the platform I use for digital marketing. It has approximately 40 tools that you can use for your business. So it has email marketing, e-commerce, SEO report, chatbots. You can even make an online course, copywriting. For more detailed information on all the tools, be sure to subscribe because I'll be making videos on all of these. It even has an Instagram autoresponder, CRM. If you want to do a webinar, it also has a tool for that. And yes, you can also have a WordPress website. So let's go ahead and make that real estate website. Let's go here. This is Builderall Cheetah. Fix this. Create new website. Demo. Click on save. Alright, and let's go ahead and edit the website. So let's check the website settings real quick so we can check the capabilities of the website we'll be making. So SEO settings, keyword meta tags. So if you create a website, or if we create a website in Builderall, it can, or it will rank in Google for sure, and it can be searched on Google as well. But most important is the ranking. Script settings, so Facebook pixel script, analytics script. Okay, so there's no programming or any training that you need. As long as you can copy and paste, you can use this platform. Let's go back to my site. So on the left, so we're on our on the demo website, or the real estate website that we'll be making. This is the page, my site. Okay. So let's go ahead and edit the first page of our website. Enter in editor. Okay, now that we're here, we just go to the arrow or background page. From here, we're going to add a panel. There are two options to create a website: from scratch or by using a panel. Panel means the portions or the content that you can put on the website. So let's say, for example, let's look for a header for our real estate website. So there are templates here, and you can just go ahead and choose from them. But then again, if you want to do everything from scratch, just have to choose blank panel. Mhm. Okay, so what I have in mind for the design would be, so there are panels. Let's check further just to have more options. So header, let's see what we can find here. Okay, so this is the one that's put on top for the menus. So let me just show you the panel. So see, there's a button here, and there's a home menu here. So let's say, for example, I want to put the button here, and the menu here on the right side instead. Yeah, I can put the menu here on the center. Let's see, okay. So let's say, for example, the home button. See what we can do about this one. So let's see what this does. Okay. Okay, I want the menus on the right with the home. There's also a button here. Alright, or I can put this on the center and just remove this button. So I removed the button. I just want a menu on top or here on the right. So for this menu, what we put is the button for the home page. So when a visitor goes to the other pages of the website and they want to go back to the home page, they can just click on this. For the menu, let's say, for example, if you have another page, let's say, for example, your second page is products. The third page, all right, let's say, for example, the third page would be, oh, and you can even add sub-menus, by the way. So let's say, for example, for the second menu, it would be the third page, and then fourth page, and then contacts. So it's a shortcut to whatever link you prefer. Okay? Okay. Put it back. Alright. If you learned anything from this video, give it a like. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!